Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about this upcoming 3-bedroom rental house. And to do that, we have a guest here.
Okay, I'm Fidelis Maiba, the director Batir Consultants. Professionally, I'm a quantity surveyor and a construction project manager.
Yes, and I'm Muema from Property Noma.
Yeah.
In today's video, since it's an ongoing construction project, we'll get more technical. We'll get into the details of constructing this house to help you if you're one of those people who has an upcoming project in mind.
Yeah.
So, Fidel,
Yes.
karibu sana to the
Asante
channel
sana.
once again.
Thank you.
Now, kindly tell us where we are and how far you've gone for this project.
Okay, thank you. Here we are in Kiambu County, a town next to Kiambu called Kirigiti, just at the roundabout. And we are doing this 3-bedroom residential. It will be it will be for commercial, for renting. There are 2 units. One is a stone house, and this is a precast house. So right now we are finished the precast walling. We are finishing on the mabati. Then we start on the ceiling works.
Okay.
Yes.
Now the features of this house,
Yeah.
the size, and the duration you've taken to reach this point.
Yeah. Okay. So this is a 3-bedroom bungalow, which the master is ensuite and the other 2 bedrooms have shared. We also have a cloakroom so that maybe a guest can use it, and a kitchen area and a laundry space, which we'll finish up on it later on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you do the design for this house or did the client come with theirs beforehand?
Now, in my company, we have architects in my office. So we took the project from design stage up to the actual construction.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, how long have you taken to reach this stage of roofing?
Okay, this we are 1 month down the line because there was a small challenge. We had done the hidden roof system,
Yeah.
but the client, after coming from outside the country, she came and she found us during the roofing stage.
Yeah.
So she opted we change because of the worry of water.
Okay.
So we have taken one week, a few days to redo the whole roof, so that we can be able to achieve what now the client wants.
Okay.
Yes.
Since you are talking about the roofing, I see you've used steel trusses.
Yes.
Initially, for the hidden roof, did you use timber or was it initially steel?
It was also steel. I was trying to find some other alternatives in terms of construction,
Yeah.
because steels usually have bigger spans. So we were trying, it's our first project using steel. So we want to see what is the cost benefit. But for now, it seems to be more expensive than timber.
Yeah.
So maybe we will go back to this was my own social experiment. It was not, the budget was timber with the
Okay.
client, but I was trying out the steel.
Yeah.
Yes.
But did it vary a lot or was it within the initial budget for the client?
Yeah, it's varying way a lot. So
Yeah.
I'm seeing that maybe it can be a more expensive option to have in your project.
Yeah.
Yes.
What about the roof covers? What are you using?
The roof covers, you're using mabati, the normal box profile
Yeah.
mabati from a company called Kidani Mabati, and they are gauge 30, not 28.
Okay.
Yes.
There's a place where you've used cut precast panels.
Yes.
Is it to achieve the pitch of the roof?
Yeah, it was meant to be a hidden roof. So the precast were 1 meter high. So we were to hide the whole mabati here. But now after we have changed, we had to raise it very high so that we can have a slope, so that we can take the water on one direction.
Okay.
Yes.
That's why you have that big gutter at
Yeah,
the
we have
front.
the big gutter on the front. She didn't want water under the house.
Yeah.
So alisema, if there's any problem, the gutters are outside the house. Yeah.
Right. Now, moving on to the walling, how many precast panels have you used for this 3-bedroom house?
Okay. Here we bought 150 pieces, and the channels were around 95 pieces. We got them from Kingdom Precasts,
Yeah.
which are our neighbors here.
Yeah.
So the transport cost here was not that high because it was just coming from Ruaka to here, Kirigiti. This is the closest we have done next to Sammy.
Yeah.
And it all depends on the distance.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
What's the height of the panels?
The panel, we went for the 2.7 meter. This is the most preferred for everyone. So normally it's a good height.
Right.
Yeah.
In those 150 panels, did you include the panels for the roof and for the kitchen?
Yeah, the 150 we have factored the kitchen worktops, we have factored the roof area and the floor area. Yes, yes.
Let's talk about the steel windows and doors.
Yeah.
This design,
Yeah.
I think, is it similar to the one that at the house in Gong?
Yeah, it's similar to the one in Gong.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
but now smaller.
yeah.
Yeah.
And on this particular living room, this entire wall is covered
It's covered with
in
windows.
with three windows.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Was that a design feature or was it something the client wanted?
Being a rental unit, Naja rentals, you have a lot of items, so we need more air coming in, so and more light, because so we decided, and this wall, this is the boundary wall, so that calls there will be no windows this side, so we needed to maximize the lighting of the house, then we maximize the aeration, so that now the house will not be moist, will not be stuffy in the house.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why we have the many windows. Even behind the cameraman, there's another one
Yeah, that's for the dining now.
for the dining space. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing that with the sockets on this wall, this will be like the TV wall.
Yeah, this will be the TV area. I have two options, either there or there.
Okay.
But here we have the aerial and we have the internet and also the two twin sockets. Now he has 4 sockets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And because of the hollow feature of panels, it was easy to pass the
Yeah,
conduits.
it was easy to pass the conduits.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
You said that this door leads to the
Yeah, this is the laundry area. We have not yet cemented it, so it's the laundry. The client, maybe the tenant here, can be able to wash his clothes there, so that before, because the space here is not that big.
yeah.
Yeah,
And you'll cover this door with window
glass.
panes.
Yeah, window panes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's I put it like that so that it can bring a lot of light inside. We are here for light.
Yes.
No, light cannot disturb you.
Yeah.
You'll appreciate light more. So I didn't want to do a solid door.
Okay.
Yes.
Moving on to this space, the living room opens up to the dining.
To the dining space. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can do a 4-chair or a 6-chair dining space.
Yeah.
And it's very sufficient for most of the rentals. Most people don't have it, so having it is a good feature, and it will bring some good clients here.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's head into the kitchen.
Okay.
See the before.
Yeah.
Before the kitchen is done.
Yeah? Yes.
Right. So this is the kitchen.
This is the kitchen space. The client wanted a pantry. That's why maybe it seems a little bit smaller. So we have a pantry for storage. So here we have sections for the gas cooker. You can do the cooker. You see the precast you have done. You have done the worktops in precast. Here I'm adding a socket. The client wants the fridge separated from the cooker. So we will do a fridge here.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is now the pantry
Now this
space.
is the pantry. We'll put some shelves so that now the client, the tenant, can be able to put his or her items here.
Okay. So how long do you anticipate to be done with this house?
The roofing had, after the challenge, now we are, by end of this month, we will be here shooting for the finished house.
Yeah.
Because the remaining item is just putting the ceiling boards, putting the tiles, then we do the paint works. So it's a very fast part of the project now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, talking about the ceiling, here you are doing chipboards.
Yeah, here
not
we are
gypsum.
we are doing chipboard ceiling.
Yeah.
It's a more affordable option, and for a rental, you'll not spend a lot.
Okay.
Yes.
How much are we talking for this project?
This project is a 120 square meter mini house, and the budget is around 3.5 million.
Finished.
Up to completion.
Up to completion.
Yes. Yetu ni kuingiza to the tenants.
Okay.
Yes.
Fantastic. So I guess in a month's time I'll be back to show people.
In 2 weeks' time we are done.
Oh, in 2 weeks' time.
Yeah, it's 2 weeks' time we are done.
Yeah.
And this was very affordable because the client had done the first unit in stone. It's a similar 3-bedroom.
Yeah.
But I designed it a more better design and a more bigger one.
Yeah.
And it's much cheaper compared to the That's why she said, no, 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 I'm not doing another stone house.
Yeah.
I'll do I gave her a quotation. She was okay. So we went to the precast.
Fantastic.
Yes, yes.
All right. Did you face any challenges when building this one?
The only challenge here in Kiambu, the plots are small. And now you see our next door neighbor is an apartment.
Yeah.
So we don't have anywhere to take the water, the rainwater.
Yeah.
So we have to do gutters up to the gate, gutters that will take water to the gate, because water cannot, we don't
here.
have anywhere to take water, because our neighbor is an apartment and he's 3 meters below us.
Yeah.
It's a cliff.
Okay.
Yeah. So you cannot allow any water going to that fence because it will fall over.
Was the foundation steep or was it just a normal foundation?
The foundation is normal,
Yeah.
the normal foundation, strip foundation, but this place was lower, so we didn't go with the level of the existing house. The other house is way high, but we just did a retaining wall. Then we did our house lower.
Lower.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the foundation did not cost that much. It was
No.
just
The foundation was within budget. We didn't have any extra works. Maybe just doing the retaining wall for the existing house. That was just that.
Okay.
Yeah, but I had to reinforce with some few columns on the lower side of the foundation so that to make the soil stable.
For sanitation,
Yeah.
how are you handling it over here?
Here we have the biodigester. We have already done it. So you'll just see the pipes. So we have already done. The space was compact, so we did it and we covered it. But the client was here. She saw it. The pipe work is going to the bio. So it's fully functional right now, because the other house, my fundis are staying in the existing house, so they are still using the washroom.
Okay.
Yes.
What can you tell clients who are looking to build a similar design 3-bedroom house?
Yeah.
What time would you tell them that the house would be done under normal conditions?
Under normal conditions, for me, we say 5 weeks. 5 weeks or 6 weeks, that's 1.5 months. We have already given you the keys to your house, but we can do it under.
Yeah.
It will all depend with the site factors and what. But mainly on a good day without rain and closeness to the site, we can do it under 1 month.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you also do the design work.
Yeah, right now we have our architects in the office who are busy. We are waiting for your clients to come and give us the brief. We do the design, then we share the cost estimate.
So guys, that was the video talking about the structural details, the construction process of this 3-bedroom rental house.
Yeah.
I know some of you have similar ideas to build something commercial, to earn rental income.
Yeah.
And I hope with the details that we've talked about, you're more knowledgeable. So that concludes this video. I'll come back when it's done so that you can appreciate the before and the after. If you want to get in touch with QS Fidelis, I'll leave his contacts for Batir consultants, and you can get in touch with him at your convenience. So with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next project.
Thank you very much.